Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza dough. Gather flour, water, yeast, salt, and olive oil, then measure precisely and mix gently until a shaggy dough forms. Knead for rhythm and feel, developing gluten until the dough is smooth and slightly springy. Let it rest to rise in a warm, draft-free spot until doubled, then punch down gently and shape into balls for later stretching. Start by whisking flour, salt, and instant yeast in a bowl, then add lukewarm water and olive oil while stirring. Mix until the dough just comes together and transfer to a lightly floured surface. Knead with the heels of your hands, folding and turning about 8 to 10 minutes until elastic and smooth. If the dough feels sticky, sprinkle a bit more flour gradually to maintain softness without drying. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and cover to proof until doubled in size, which builds flavor and structure. Gently deflate and portion into equal dough balls, shaping each into a tight skin to hold gas. Let the balls rest for at least 30 minutes before stretching to relax the gluten. When ready, press and stretch by hand to keep the airy crumb intact for crisp crust.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.